that's not good. I am sick of this alignment. It is time for some new control arms. Fixing this alignment. Jeez. Doing some work today. Time to upgrade some control arms. Oh my god. Through core 4x4. Tier 1. Now, I could have went the whole way up to tier 4. I just didn't need the Johnny joints and all that, but I did upgrade to pulley bushings. They're adjustable. I got control on drop brackets already. It rides nice and smooth. So I don't see this hurting it. I think this is going to do better. So let's go check the alignment first though. Let's see what the alignment machine says where my caster is now versus afterwards. I don't want to sacrifice my angles too much, but yeah, I gotta fix that. There, and you kind of pry. I got it out. Not a hammer. So that is measuring eyelet to eyelet. Yeah, a bit more. There we go. So, for core 4x4, I already like your arms. I wish you would have sent me grease fittings. I don't know if that comes with your hardware. I feel like if we upgraded to the poly bushings, we should have got some grease fittings. But Spencer over there, he was pretty helpful in communicating with customer service. So either way, they're in your parts store. If you don't get them, get yourself a, you don't need a whole case like this, but given that I do this a lot here, it's better to have extra. Old arm. Yeah, chewed up. It's time to replace them anyways. And they're super thin. So, get this last one out. Oh yeah, look at that one too. See it? So, the bolts of the axle, where these bushings are, they're not the greatest, but they'll do. So they were in there, like this. Well, actually through that side, but for demonstration purposes, go like this. So what I did is first get an air hammer, if you have one. Long barrel. Nice little Matco one. I was able to get enough through, then I put my vice grips on, I just kept twisting it and eventually popped right out. Wasn't that hard. So onto uppers. We're gonna put those at 16.5 too, because when I did Lori's, which she was the one that showed me core 4x4, and her install was pretty easy, straightforward, but she didn't have the control and drop brackets. She did 17.25, somewhere in there. And since we did the bottoms at 16.5, since my lower control arms were already at 16.25, then we're gonna match the top ones. I'm gonna measure the stock versus that and see the difference. I got it. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That strap, of course it's orange because, well, I can't stress this enough. If I had one other person with me, would have been a heck of a lot easier. But that being said, they are in. Gloves did come off, but I got them in. All right, so like I said, remember the picture, I think it was 4139. It's closer, 0.1 of a difference. So, yay! Yay! Yeah, I don't know. But this is fully loaded. Oh, heck, it always is. So, like I said, I don't know if it's really worth it. We'll find out and see. And then I'll do a little update. So, I'm going to drive a couple days, put that in, let you guys know what to expect. Update on control arms. Core 4x4. I did not think there was going to be this big of a difference. The numbers I didn't even think were that big of a difference, but if there was a caddy that was actually a Jeep, that would be Hector. So thank you 4x4. I'm sorry, Core 4x4 off-road. They're fantastic, they're orange, and I am so happy I have them. You guys rock.